everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time to see this face, hi, my name is Esther, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking this video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my favorite lipsticks. I get so much questions, which lipstick is that, and yeah, so I said let me do this video and share with you what I love. And yeah, so if you want to know my favorite lipsticks, continue watching. So guys, my first favorite lipstick that I love so much is this LA colors. I don't know if you can see it. It's this. It's like it has that feel of a lip gloss, and I love it so much. The best thing with this lipstick is because it has a beautiful finish and it is matte and it does not crack. You know, there are these lipsticks that you put on your lips and then they start cracking. So let's try this on and see how it will. So the best thing with this lipstick that it will stay all day long, like it is not going anywhere. So I recommend this lipstick because it's very beautiful and amazing. It feels so comfortable on my lips. I don't get like those cracks after like hours. So guys, our second favorite lipstick is by Maybelline. This is Maybelline. It's color 115 Founder. If I tell you, this lipstick is very comfortable, and the color is amazing. And one thing I love about it is because yes, it is matte, but it does not feel like it is matte. It's not dry on your lips. So this is one of my favorites. And the pink is good mostly for weddings and for, let's say, party, and you want to be bright and everything, you can go with this lipstick. So let us try. So this is how it looks like when you open. So guys, the third lipstick is by Joanna Cosmetics. This is color Unapologetic. I don't wear this lipstick so much, but this lipstick, if you want to make a statement look, or you want to stand out from a crowd, or you want to, yeah, you have this very fancy event and you have dressed cool, you can wear just this to elevate your look. So a red lipstick is a must-have. That's what I can say. And even if you won't be wearing this as often as you can wear your other lipsticks, it's good to have it with you, because you never know. So let's try this Joanna Cosmetics. This is Unapologetic. That is the red. And guys, a red lipstick is a must-have, and this is one of my favorites. I have other reds, but they don't come out as the way Joanna Cosmetic comes out and the way it feels. The only thing I don't like about this lipstick is the way it, after like hours of wear, it leaves you dry and the lips start getting dry. But rather than that, everything else, I love it, and the color is amazing. And if you have a boring outfit and you know we are all about looking good, this lipstick can elevate your look. Like, you can wear this lipstick and instantly you look elegant. Okay, so this is the lipstick. My other favorite lipstick, though I don't wear it on it is as in like that on its own, it's a nude lipstick, still from LA Colors. Let me show you this. This is a very nude lipstick and it's so bold. So what I do, I line my lips with a lip liner, then I wear this here at the top. So this still is my favorite because I don't think I love other nudes. They don't look good on me. So let's try this out. I will apply my nude lipstick. Oh my goodness. Wait. That's how it looks like. It's a nude. Ooh, let's see. There's a time I put a lot of this and I end up wiping it, so it just needs a little. Let me just come close. See how this nude looks good. And the only thing that you do is you line your lips, then you put this at the center. Don't overdo it because you look crazy, and we're not looking, we don't want to look crazy. So this is the look. So guys, the other lipstick that I love is this purple. Okay, I don't wear this so often. Again, this is a very broad color, and this color I only wear when I want to achieve a certain look, or I want to do a photo shoot, or I want to do something crazy. So this is good for when I want to do something crazy, and because I love purple, why not? And this is color Royal 78. So let's try this, guys, and see how it will look like. The best thing with this lipstick, it has a lip gloss feeling, and it's shiny. This lipstick is when you want to feel good. Yeah, it's not that shouting when you're seeing it through the camera, but in real sense it's purple. So guys, this is called Royal 78. I bought this. You can buy any Maybelline product at Jumia. You can also buy at Towers at AHN Beauty. And yeah, there are so many people nowadays who are selling original products, but be careful where you're getting your products, okay? So guys, this is the purple. What do you think? So guys, those were my 5 favorites. Are they 5? Yeah, 5 favorite lipstick that I'm currently, like, I can't live without these lipsticks. And the most that I use mostly is this one, the LA Girl, the darker one. But all of them, the 5 lipsticks, I also here and there I can just wear the lipstick. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. Yeah, I'm ready to give you good content, informational videos, and yeah, so join this family. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.